Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing you how I do my no makeup look. This is about as natural as it gets for me whenever I do want to wear makeup. If I want to go any more natural than this, then I'm not even wearing makeup. Also, yes, I did dye my hair. I am in the process of going blonde, and I really like how it is right now, so I might still add some more blonde highlights in it, or I might even leave it like this. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think of my hair down below in the comment section. And if you're excited to see how I got this makeup look, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel if you have not already and click the little bell icon so you get notified anytime I upload a video. Now, let's go ahead and get into the video. Because we're going to do a pretty natural eye look, we're going to start off with the skin. So I'm going to go in with my Nars Pore and Shine Control Primer. And I'm going to put this in my T-zone. For foundation, I'm going to use my Nars Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in Stromboli. Just going to use 2 pumps of that. I'm just going to put a teeny tiny bit of my Estée Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place makeup in the shade Dawn. I'm just going to start working it into the skin. I'm not looking for too much coverage, even though both of those foundations are full coverage. So I'm just going to go in with a really light hand just to even out my skin tone. For concealer, I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in Medium 25. Now I'm just dipping into my Patrick's powder, and I'm going to set my under eye and my lid. And I'm not baking, I'm just pressing it all in, making sure it is nice and set in place. And I'm going to do the same thing in my smile line since I tend to crease there. And right here on my forehead, since that's where I tend to get oily. And around my nose. Now that my face is looking very flat and matte, I'm going to go in with my IT Cosmetics Celebration Foundation Illumination. I'm just going to dab over areas where I want to bring a little bit more of a glow to. And this isn't a highlighter by any means, but it will, so you can kind of see, it brings back some of that shine. Now I'm going to go in and bronze with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. And for contour, I've really been loving the Tarte Clay Play palette, and I've been using this shade right here, Desert, as my contour. And for blush, my Butter Blush in Vintage Rouge. I just can't seem to quit using this. It is so pretty. And I haven't pulled out my Amrezy highlighter in a long time, so I'm going to use that today. I feel like I was using this every single time for a really long time, so I took a break from it, and it is still just as beautiful as I remember. Now that we are done with our face makeup, we're going to go ahead and set our face with the Smashbox Photo Finish Priming Water. For eyes, we're going to go in with the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. I'm going to take a Morphe M441. I'm going to dip into this shade right here. I'm just going to put this as my transition shade. And again, we're not going to do too much with the eyes today. I just want to add a little bit more definition to them. I'm going to mainly focus this on the outer corner of my transition area and then slowly work it in. Now with a Morphe M433, I'm going to dip into this shade right here. And I'm going to put this lower in my transition area, just right in that crease. And again, focusing it mainly on the outer corner. And then once I have most of the product off of my brush, I'm going to drag it in a little bit. Now I'm going to go back in with the first brush that we used with a little bit more of our transition color. I'm going to blend that a little bit better. Now I'm going to switch over to the Anastasia Soft Glam palette. I'm going to take a little flat brush and I'm going to use the black in this palette just because it is the blackest black that I own, and I'm going to push this as close as I can get it to my lash line, just on the outer half of my eye, just to add a little bit of definition to the lash line. And you can see the difference that it adds to the eyes. Now I'm going to take a nude eyeliner. This is the Rimmel Scandal Eyes waterproof in the shade Nude. I'm going to put this in my waterline to help really make my eyes look bigger and awake. Now to finish off the eyes, we're going to go in with the L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara. Now I'm going to lightly fill in my brows with the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. Now I'm going to pop a little bit of the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Fenty Glow on. And there you have it. This is the completed look. This is about as natural as it gets for me. So this is my no makeup look. If I want to go any more natural than this, I'm not even wearing makeup. So there's that. I really like how this makeup looks on me. If you do also, please give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel down below if you have not already. And click that little bell so you get notified anytime I upload a video. If you have any video requests, please leave those down below in the comment section down below and I'll get to them as soon as I can. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.